Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. Now, to get started, I'm going to pull down the notification panel and find the Do Not Disturb toggle, which is right here. And when you do, you can hold it. This will take us to settings where you can customize it. So we have things like turn on a schedule, which will allow you to set up a schedule for it. Duration. This will give you a couple options. Ask every time will bring up this kind of window every time you actually tap on the toggle from here. So if I were to right now tap on it, let's try it again, confirm it. So you can see it will bring up this window. Then we have also options for notifications during this mode and exceptions, which means who can call us and message us during Do Not Disturb mode, along with several different notification types. So once you set up all that, you can simply tap on it to turn it on whenever you want from here. Turn on, and there we go. That is how you would turn it on. And when you're done with it, either wait for it to turn off by itself, depending if you have chosen for it to turn off. If you select it until you turn it off, then tap on it again, and voila, it's now off. So that is how you would turn it on, off, and set it up. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.